Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, Reclaiming Wood. After my last piece of furniture I redone, I quickly realized I need a bigger furniture dolly. The piece I made or worked on was barely the last piece I worked on barely fit. So I started digging around in my spare wood to show you what I found here. I found four pieces. These two were cut exactly the same, and these two were cut exactly the same. I thought, what are the odds of that? So we are going to make a furniture dolly out of that. All I need is some casters. So let me get this all set up in here and put this together cheap. Alright, so what we'll do here, screw gun set up. I found these. I don't know what I had them for, but we're using them now. This will be the top, because this, I got a little something going on there. So let's build this upside down. We'll go corner to corner. There you got a couple. Uh-oh, don't you come out of there. Stay in there. Uh-oh, dead battery. Real life problems. It came out. Come on. It's not magnetic. Junk bit. We're just going to build our four corners. Make sure she's all squared up. Can we shoot through? Negative. We're good. I could really use a bigger table here. As you can see, stuff I'm barely fitting on here. But we make do with what we got. You can too. I think his battery's about dead too. What do you think? She's dying. Yeah, get me some room here. Come on, hold out on the battery. Alright, we are going to have to bust out some electricity. Get my other drill out. I'm not prepared for this. Cord laying right down here. What in the world is that? now it wants to hold it there. Come on now. Fine. We'll take all of you. Square this up. What is this, a hammer drill? There it is, Black & Decker. Cheap. Okay. Same over here. Now she comes loose. One more. I've had this thing for many years. It's just a 6 amp Black & Decker. She works. Why get rid of it? There we have it. Get my screws out of the way. Get my belly out of the way. This is where the furniture pieces will sit on. I could cut a couple pieces and set it here and have a square top, but I don't think that's going to be necessary. Now, we're doing this. I've got carpet in here. It's hot in here. Hot outside. Set this out of the way. I got scrap carpet. Here it is. Why not wrap these top rails? Let's do that. Now we're not damaging anything. Plenty here. We're just going to do top rails only. Leaving enough to wrap. Around the side. Yeah, that'll work. That we're not damaging nothing. Yeah, that's the ticket. Got a stapler. Do I just do the whole thing so I can get rid of my carpet? Or save it? That was dumb. Why'd you move that? You had it all lined up. We staple this on here like that. Make sure she's even. Yeah, there we go. Let's go all the way to the end. And I think I will give a little love taps. Like so. Utility knife. Let's cut off this end. So we should flip her over. See her better. Now I can get to where I see flush here. Get a new blade. This does not staple very good on this very end. Hammer. I'll get another one over here too. Love tap. Alright, get this out of the way. Put her down here and we'll wait for another project. Come on. Hammer time. Gotta do this end. Didn't do the end. All right, cut her off. Let's follow the 2x4 down. Hey, we're detached. That's beautiful. Now I don't have a straight edge anymore, so this one will be ugly. Straighten out the best I can. Go for it. No staples. Okay, it's been lost. There we go. Do I have any staples? Quarter inch, 3/8. Rip the end of the box off so these dump everywhere. Slide down, dummy. Now this carpet piece I'm using, it's got a rubber back on it. It's the only reason the stable's gonna hold through, I believe. I don't think regular carpet would do you very good. Cut. Follow the original before. Done. Throw it aside. There we go. Put her away. Put her away. Put her away. There we go. Now all I needed my casters. We're in business. I don't know how I got lucky with I don't know how I got lucky with those 2x4s being cut. Just scrap stuff laying around. So I'm gonna have to go shopping at Hobo Freight, get me some cheap casters, and there you have it, all done. I think it'll work perfect. If not, I'll throw a piece of plywood or something on top of it, make it bigger. I got more scrap, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Simple little project done. You have a good day.